We got a pressure washer. Big shout out to Jose, a Deal Team 6 Facebook group for posting this deal. This is the Greenworks 1900 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute electric pressure washer combo kit. Guys, before we get going, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, and also don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. All right, so this one does include, it is a 1900 psi, so it's going to be a little bit on the higher side for entry level pressure washer. Plus, you're going to be getting like a foam blaster or some sort of foam cannon. I don't know how the quality on that. That doesn't look like higher quality, so it looks just like a basic foam uh, cannon. And you are getting a surface cleaner, so that's a plus with something with this price range. So yeah, definitely check it out. $99 down from $219. This is a Greenworks pressure washer with the surface cleaner. I'm pretty sure that surface cleaners should be around 50 to $60. Could be. So that makes it a great value for 99. So definitely check it out, guys. I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video. And don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one.